Well, here we are, folks, back for attempt number 2. I've been sitting here listening to my DX160 on my wireless headset, and while I was, or wireless headphones, and while I was doing that, I was, changing wires, switching them around, looking at the paperwork, switching them around, clipping them here, clipping them there, looking back and forth at the paperwork. 2 hours of that, and this is what I wound up with. Look at that mess. Holy mackerel. I don't know. I think it's right. I think it's right. I think there may have been something misclipped last time, but I have never had a spaghetti mess like this before, but I kind of anticipated it. A couple of videos ago, I went to Radio Shack and bought some more gator wires, and boy, I'm glad I did now because I've used almost all of them. So, what a mess. All right, let's try it one more time. Here we go. I want everybody to be with me on this all the way, right from the beginning. All right, I got both knobs turned to the left. Okay, let's go ahead and put that on. Is the switch off? Yes. All right, let's go ahead and do that number. And once more, fire in the hole. Let's go ahead and watch this current now once again. That's very important. She's up to 30 volts, 40 volts, 50 volts. Current's holding real good. Current draw. At least we're getting some current draw. That means something's happening at least. I don't know what. 60 volts. Let's see if we're getting anything. Yeah, nothing's happening yet. Drats. Let's go up here to 70, 80, to 80 volts and see what happens. Alright, we're getting rectifier voltage right there. And we're getting some glow out of that tube as before. I found out this, I was thinking that this thing wasn't doing so well last time, but they've got a very low glow to their, these globe tubes have a very low glow to the filament, I guess. Alright, let me turn the light back on. Now, alright, let's go up to 90 volts. And 100. Alright, our current draw is pretty good. Still holding steady. Up to 110. No noise so far. I'm up to 120. 122 again. Oh, great. Well, we're showing quite a bit of current draw here. Now, actually, that's more than last time. Last time was just below 0.4, if I recall. Now it's above. Let's turn up the volume here. Nothing. All right, let's start tuning. See what. Oh, we're getting some noise. Same as before, I guess. Oh, a little louder.
And let's face it, the guy knows his life fairly well, and he just wrote a check for $200 million to buy up the last few shares of the Bengals out of an estate. So the guy's made hundreds of millions of dollars for us. I don't like. It's essential for every computer you and your family use.
Oh, a lot louder now, yeah. Oh, how about that? All right. I'll tell you what, I think I'll turn the volume down here. Well, I gotta tell you, the audio quality sucks. I don't know what the problem is with that. Could be the speaker, you know. I'm gonna need some of you experts to chime in here and give me a hand. Let me see if I turn this down. Okay. Might be that thing right there.
That are customized to grow sales. Rovers has developed a best-in-class lead generation.
Let's see if I can get a little another station here. Can't understand much of that one.
For your business, you'll be raised as an easy.
Alright, I think what I'm going to do at this point is, apparently I've got everything hooked up right. I think what I'm going to do now is check all the voltages. I have a piece of paper that shows me how to check the B+ voltages. And I'll get back with you on the second part to this video. And this is going to be a pretty short video tonight, I think. Alright, remember when I was showing you the problem I had with that Firestone, that wire that was dragging up and down on that metal plate, and I said don't always jump in and check components and everything. You know, look for something simple. Once again, I knew I had everything hooked up finally the right way. So what I decided to do, let's turn up the volume here. We're getting broken audio, see? Now watch what happens when I press down with this eraser pencil on the top of this antenna connector. I'm going to press down on it.
They say the devil's in the detail. If you look at these studies, which basically
it gets a lot clearer.
Not forward to actually come to those conclusions.
Now what I'm doing is flexing the board more than anything else. Now, so that said, I watched that and I said, maybe it's this output tube. Well, so I got myself a rag. It's a pretty hot tube, and I'm going to go ahead and press down on it.
So this study, the pivot study, which basically looked at not doing anything as opposed to treatment.
There again.
Initially planned to have 2,000 men in.
Let me crank it up a little higher here.
Analysis, you needed to have at least 1,400 men to actually come out with the conclusions that 200.
See if I can find a better station.
I saw a lot of people that were looking for authenticity today.
Okay, I think I found the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to remove this and lift it up and find out what's going on over here in this corner. When it flexes, it causes that audio to clear up real good. It's probably just a tube socket connection. I'll tell you what, while I'm under there, I'm going to go ahead and check all the tube sockets. But I think we've got this radio operational. Next time you see it, I hope to have the sound quality good and all the wires connected back up. And then we'll give it one more try.